Video 2. Navigation and Resolution. Zooming an image. Do any of the following. Select the Zoom tool and click either the Zoom In or Zoom Out button in the options bar. Then click the area you want to zoom in or out. Select the Zoom tool. The pointer becomes a magnifying glass with a plus sign in its center. Click the center of the area that you want to magnify. Hold down Alt in Windows or Option in macOS and click the center of the area that you want to reduce. Select the Zoom tool and then click-hold in the image for a continuous motion smooth zoom in. Alt-click-hold in Windows or Option-click-hold in macOS to continuously zoom out. Select the Zoom tool and drag a dotted rectangle marquee around the area you want to magnify. To move the marquee around the artwork, hold down the spacebar and continue dragging until the marquee is in the desired location. Choose View, Zoom In, or View, Zoom Out. The Zoom In or Zoom Out command becomes unavailable when the maximum image magnification or reduction is reached. Set the zoom level at the lower left corner of the document window or in the Navigator panel. Scrolling and panning. Use the Windows scroll bars. Select the Hand tool and drag to pan over the image. To use the Hand tool while another tool is selected, hold down the spacebar as you drag the image. Change pixel dimensions of an image. Changing an image's pixel dimensions affects not only its on-screen size, but also its image quality and its printed characteristics, either its printed dimensions or its image resolution. 1. Choose Image, Image Size. 2. To maintain the current ratio of pixel width to pixel height, select Constrain Proportions. This option automatically updates the width as you change the height and vice versa. 3. Under Pixel Dimensions, enter values for width and height. To enter values as percentages of the current dimensions, choose % as the unit of measurement. The new file size for the image appears at the top of the Image Size dialog box, with the old file size in parentheses. 4. Make sure that Resample Image is selected, and choose an interpolation method. 5. If your image has layers with styles applied to them, select Scale Styles to scale the effects in the resized image. This option is available only if you select Constrain Proportions. 6. When you finish setting options, click OK. Determine a suggested resolution for an image. If you plan to print your image using a halftone screen, the range of suitable image resolutions depends on the screen frequency of your output device. Photoshop can determine a recommended image resolution based on the screen frequency of your output device. 1. Choose Image, Image Size. 2. Click Auto. 3. For Screen, enter the screen frequency for the output device. If necessary, choose a different unit of measurement. Note that the screen value is used only to calculate the image resolution, not to set the screen for printing. 4. For quality, select an option. Draft produces a resolution that is the same as the screen frequency, no lower than 72 pixels per inch. Good produces a resolution 1.5 times the screen frequency. Best produces a resolution 2 times the screen frequency. View the print size on screen. Do one of the following. Choose View, Print Size. Select the Hand tool or Zoom tool and click Print Size in the options bar. Resampling. Resampling is changing the amount of image data as you choose either the pixel dimensions or the resolution of an image. When you downsample, decrease the number of pixels, information is deleted from the image. When you resample up, increase the number of pixels, or upsample, new pixels are added. You specify an interpolation method to determine how pixels are added or deleted. Keep in mind that resampling can result in poorer image quality. Nearest neighbor, a fast but less precise method that replicates the pixels in an image. This method is for use with illustrations containing edges that are not anti-aliased, to preserve hard edges and produce a smaller file. However, this method can produce jagged effects, which become apparent when you distort or scale an image or perform multiple manipulations on a selection. Bilinear, a method that adds pixels by averaging the color values of surrounding pixels. It produces medium quality results. Bicubic, a slower but more precise method based on an examination of the values of the surrounding pixels. Using more complex calculations, bicubic produces smoother tonal gradations than nearest neighbor or bilinear. Bicubic smoother, a good method for enlarging images based on bicubic interpolation, but designed to produce smoother results. Bicubic sharper, a good method for reducing the size of an image based on bicubic interpolation with enhanced sharpening. This method maintains the detail in a resampled image. If bicubic sharper over-sharpens some areas of an image, try using bicubic. Use the Navigator panel. You use the Navigator panel to quickly change the view of your artwork using a thumbnail display. The colored box in the Navigator, called the proxy view area, corresponds to the currently viewable area in the window. Do one or more of the following. To display the Navigator panel, select Window, Navigator. To change the magnification, type a value in the text box. Click the Zoom Out or Zoom In button, or drag the zoom slider. To move the view of an image, drag the proxy view area in the image thumbnail. You can also click the image thumbnail to designate the viewable area. To change the color of the proxy view area, select Panel Options from the panel menu. Select a preset color from the Color pop-up menu, or click the color box to choose a custom color.